Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to add JavaScript to our portfolio website to make it interactive. In our previous video we learned how to use HTML and CSS to create a portfolio website. So we are going to make our portfolio website interactive by adding JavaScript to it. So I'll just log in into my website and then we start doing it. So okay. Yeah, so this is the website we created in our previous video. Now we are going to add the JavaScript to make the website interactive. We are going to add navigation bar activation, and then we are going to add scrolling fading effect, and then the last part will be scroll to top button. So let's get started with our JavaScript. Okay, so these are the codes, or these are the JavaScript code we are going to add to our website portfolio to make it interactive. The first part is the navbar activation link. So what problem does this navbar activation link solve? So you see, when you are scrolling through some web pages, you could see that some buttons in the web pages begin to highlight whenever you are scrolling in the website. So what this JavaScript code solve is that anytime you are scrolling through the website, you go to make your buttons in the web page highlight. So let me go into my website and let's see what I'm talking about. I'll just log in into my website and then I show you what exactly I'm saying. Okay, so this is the website I created, the portfolio website. So you can see that whenever I'm scrolling through the website, the nav bar at the top here begins to highlight. So just watch closely, you could see that the navigation at the top right corner of the website begin to highlight. So initially it was the home button which was highlighted, but when I begin to scroll through, you could see that the highlights move to the profile section, the about section, then it goes on to the skill section. So let me explain the code. So the con section equal to document.query section or makes the session highlight smoothly when you are scrolling through the website or moving through the website. Right. So now it puts the arrow inside the bottom and then give it a CSS class for what? For styling the navigation links. So that's the actual meaning of the cons session equal to document.query session or into bracket session, and then the cons nav link equal to document.query section sector makes the navigation link highlight whenever you are scrolling through. So window.add event listener will make the website scroll whenever you are scrolling through the website. And then for each session, there will be top or offset 120 when you are moving in the website, and then the cons session highlight or height equal to session.current height will read the property of the element interface for scrolling through, and then each nav link here will highlight it whenever you are scrolling in the web page. So the second part is the scroll fading effect. So the scroll fading effect, the problem is solved that sessions fade in smoothly instead of appearing suddenly. So this section will begin to fade in smoothly when you are scrolling through the site. Okay. So you could see that whenever you are scrolling, the pages appear smoothly. It just don't appear instantly or suddenly. You could see that it is coming smoothly one by one. So that's the function of the scroll fading effect script in the Java code. And then we have the scroll to top button here. The scroll to top button, um, what it does is that when the page is long, there's a button over here. Okay. Okay. So you could see that there's a button over here. So whenever the page is long, the button appears to jump back to the top part smoothly. So when I click on this button or when I click on this arrow, it will automatically jump to the to the top bottom of the website or to the top page of the website. So that's the main function of the scroll to top button code we are seeing here. Const scroll button equal to document.create element button, and then so it will put an arrow inside the button, and then it will give it a class, a CSS class for styling, and then it will add a button, or yeah, there will be a button that exists on the website that when you click on it, it will automatically jump to the top of the website. So when I maximum this place, and then let me scroll to the down. So when I press on this button, automatically we go to the top of the website. So that's the function of the um, scroll to top button of the website. So what it does is that when the page is long, a button appears and then it jumps back to the bottom smoothly. Jump back to the bottom smoothly of the website. So if you just scroll more than 30 pixels, it shows a button. If not, it will hide the button. So as I'm scrolling through, you see, I have scrolled more than 30 pixels, so the button will show. If not, the button will hide. So you can see that the button come out and hide whenever I scroll 30 pixels up and down. So this is the interactiveness or the interactive we added to the portfolio website we created in our previous video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.